Look at all these birds. So many of them. They play King of the Hill. Look, oh, he just knocked him off. They got those black ones over there, and then like the gray ones right over there. Basically two different colors. Sometimes just like a white speckled one. He's not here right now though. See King of the Hill right there. Here comes another King of the Hill. Look, King of the Hill. Whoop! Step back. He's trying to sneak around. There he goes. Whoop! Oh, he landed right on there. Or two of them. One fell off. Oh, that's the king. He jumped down. New king.